Welcome back to Nathaniel's YouTube channel. To boost your language game, learn 5 essential idioms and sound impressive. So the first idiom for today is bite the bullet. And the meaning is to face a difficult situation bravely. For example, even though she was scared of the surgery, she decided to bite the bullet and go through with it. Let's take another example. She had to bite the bullet and speak in front of the whole class despite her fear. Second idiom, cost an arm and a leg. And the meaning is something that is very expensive. For example, the medical treatment was so expensive, it cost an arm and a leg. Another example, buying tickets to the concert cost an arm and a leg, but it was an incredible experience. Third idiom, let the cat out of the bag, meaning to accidentally reveal a secret. For example, he let the cat out of the bag about the surprise party. Another example, my friend let the cat out of the bag by accidentally revealing the movie's ending before it was released. Fourth, hit the sack. That means go to bed. Example, after the long day, I am ready to hit the sack. She decided to hit the sack early to be well rested for an early morning meeting. Fifth idiom, beat around the bush. And the meaning is to avoid getting to the point of something. Example, stop beating around the bush and tell me directly if you are struggling with your English pronunciation. Let's take another example. He tends to beat around the bush when asked about his progress in English speaking instead of giving a straightforward answer. I hope these idioms help spice up your conversations. If you enjoyed these idioms, make sure to like, share and subscribe to Nathaniel's YouTube channel for more language tips. Catch you in my next video.